We first met with Freehaven Materials at the ConExpo 2023, and we started having some healthy discussions. We met on site and started developing a business plan on what this is going to look like.
Suffolk County is about 2,400 square miles, and with extra material, we end up finding a place to dump it or paying to dump it. So we thought it'd be a great idea to look into a wash plant and start processing it and reusing the material for our projects. Material is coming from our excavation, from construction jobs, road jobs, development jobs that we do on the island here. Some of it's going to drainage jobs with the stone, the sand is going to concrete plants, and a lot of the stone is as well.
The inbound material wasn't here, it would just be sitting there, taking up space on Long Island where there is limited space. You know, being able to turn that into sand, which is much needed on Long Island, is very beneficial.
There's only a certain amount of sand pits out here, so we bring it in here, washing it, creating a nice C33 sand that we can put back in the industry, concrete plants, pipe bedding, and keeping our costs down for our prospective construction companies, reusing the material that we've been wasting all these years.
This Freehaven Materials plant is a Recycline 150. So something that CDE has been striving towards is getting these big turnkey facilities on the ground and processing in a much more easier way. So we've gone ahead and pre-designed 100% of this particular plant, and it allows our manufacturing, allows our engineering to get ahead of everything, just allows them to focus on the other parts of the business.
The design process that goes into it, it makes it so easy to operate, so easy to learn, and very logical.
The Freehaven plant is amazing. It's one of the few processing plants I've been in that's been erected entirely on pavement. So they have an excellent opportunity here to keep the site clean. It's very efficient, it's environmentally friendly. I've been very impressed with what I saw here at the plant. Freehaven should be complimented on how they put together this plant in collaboration with CDE, and I think this plant's going to have a great future.
Working with Freehaven was absolutely brilliant. Tom and all of his guys welcomed CDE in with open arms. Everything we asked for, anything we needed, they were there with a helping hand. Likewise, back from us.
Obviously, water management is a huge piece of this plant itself. I mean, water is the crux of what we're doing here. From a profitability standpoint, you want to be using as little water as possible. So we're trying to manage the flow of that water. You don't want to see any water being wasted. But also we want to operate in a sustainable way. Part of what we're doing here is trying to build a more sustainable Long Island. We're trying to take material that people found undesirable and put it back into the economy. So using that water correctly not only allows us to make a quality material, but do it in a sustainable and profitable way.
Facilities here like Freehaven has a very important role in driving sustainability. Keeping all that material circular and in the system, you're not going into mines and using up valuable resources. We're taking all that landfill that was previously, and it's all completely renewable, so you can put it straight back into the construction market with very, very little waste.
It's a wasted resource. The material going to a landfill that can be reused and put back into concrete, put back into drainage, just going to a landfill and it never be used again.
It's fascinating. You walk onto the property and you see a large pile of inbound material, which, you know, to most people in the industry would be a undesirable product. And at the end result, you see all these usable products, which are essentially the cornerstone of the infrastructure on Long Island.
I would just like to thank CDE for all the help that we got in the design and putting it together. The support has been amazing, and it's just a wonderful team. I cannot recommend CDE enough.